Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm looking for the museum. Do you know where it is?
Yes, I do. Which museum are you looking for?
The City Art Museum.
Oh, it's not far from here.
Great, how can I get there?
Walk straight down this road.
This road?
Yes, go straight for about 2 blocks.
2 blocks?
That's right. Then, turn left at the traffic light.
Got it.
After that, you'll see the museum on your right.
On my right?
Yes, you can't miss it. There's a big sign.
Thank you so much. How long will it take?
About 10 minutes if you walk.
That's perfect. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
One last thing. Are there any good cafes near the museum?
Yes, there's a nice one across the street.
Across the street from the museum?
Exactly. They have great coffee.
Sounds good. Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime. Have a nice day.
Hi there.
Hi.
Sorry, just one moment.
No problem. Take your time.
Oh, this machine.
Is everything okay?
No, not really. The machine won't work.
Oh, what's the problem?
I put my card in, but nothing happens on the screen.
Did you try taking it out and putting it in again?
Yes, I tried 2 times.
That's strange. Is your card okay?
I think so. I used it this morning.
Do you want me to try my card?
Oh, would you? Thank you.
Sure. Nope. You're right. It's not working for me either.
So it's the machine.
Yes, I think the machine is broken.
Oh no, I really need some cash.
Don't worry, there is another bank on the next street.
Really? Is it far?
No, it's very close. Just a 2-minute walk.
Great, thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye. Oh no, I did something stupid.
What's wrong?
I locked my keys in the car.
Are you sure? Check your pockets.
No, they're inside, on the seat.
Is the car unlocked anywhere?
No, all doors are locked.
Do you have a spare key?
Yes, at home. But I'm at work now.
Okay, don't panic. Call roadside assistance.
I don't have their number.
Check your insurance card. It's there.
Found it. Should I call now?
Yes, tell them your location first.
They're coming in 30 minutes.
Good. Let's wait in my car.
I feel so dumb.
It happens to everyone.
Last time my husband did this.
See? Even smart people do it.
Thanks for helping.
No problem. Want some coffee while we wait?
Yes, please, you're a lifesaver.
Just don't lock these keys in my car.
Hey, John, I was thinking about getting a pet.
Really? What kind of pet?
Maybe a dog or a cat.
Dogs are great, but they need lots of walks.
That's true. Cats are easier, right?
Yes, but they still need care. Where will you get one?
From the animal shelter. Want to come with me?
Sure. When do you want to go?
How about this Saturday morning?
Okay, what should we bring?
Just ID and some money for the adoption fee.
How much does it usually cost?
About $50 for cats, $100 for dogs.
That's not bad. What else do we need?
Food, a bed, and some toys.
Do you want a puppy or an older dog?
An older one might be better for my first pet.
Good idea. They're usually calmer.
Exactly. Let's look at both cats and dogs.
Great. I'm excited for you.
Thanks. I hope I find the perfect pet.
You will. The right one will choose you.